In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a grid on Google Slides. We'll do this right from a phone, and the trick is to use a table to create clean, evenly spaced boxes you can use for layouts, checklists, storyboards, or guides for aligning content. Start by launching the Google Slides app on your phone. Give it a moment to load your recent files. If you don't see the presentation you want right away, use the search or browse your Drive folders until you find it. A steady internet connection helps everything load quickly. Open the slide you want to work on, then switch into editing mode. On mobile, look for the Edit option, usually shown as a pencil or an Edit slide button near the bottom or top of your screen. Entering Edit mode ensures you can add elements directly to that slide. If you're working with a multi-slide deck, double-check that you're on the correct slide thumbnail before you proceed. Next, tap the plus icon in the top right. This is the Add menu, where Google Slides keeps all the insert options. If your on-screen keyboard is open and blocking the view, dismiss it so you can clearly see the toolbar. From the insert options that appear, select Table. This tells Slides you want a grid-like structure rather than an image, shape, or text box. Using a table is the simplest way to build a precise grid without manually drawing lines. You'll now choose the number of rows and columns. Think about your purpose. For a basic 3x3 grid, pick 3 rows and 3 columns. For tighter layouts, you might go 5x5 or more. Don't stress about perfection here. You can always adjust cell sizes or even delete rows or columns later. Consider how much content will go into each cell and whether you want larger or smaller boxes. When you're satisfied with the layout, tap Insert Table. Slides will place the table onto your current slide. You can drag its corners to resize the overall grid and move it into position. If any cells look too wide or narrow, adjust the column or row dividers to even things out. This table now functions as your grid, giving you consistent spacing for text, images, or alignment guides. If you want a cleaner grid look, you can customize it after inserting Refine Border Thickness, choose a subtle border color, or remove cell fill so the lines stand out. And if you plan to reuse the grid on other slides, duplicate the slide to save time. That's it. Your grid is ready in Google Slides on mobile.